everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Avita. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you have returned to hang out with me here on YouTube, I truly appreciate it. Today I am going to be unboxing my Beautylish Lucky Bag. I am so excited. I can't wait to see what I got. I haven't watched any other videos. I really wanted to, but I'm just hoping. I really love everything I got. So if you want to see what I got in my box, please keep watching. Okay, if you are unfamiliar with what the Beautylish Lucky Bag is, I will let you know all of that after we open this box and find out what's inside and go through what I got. So here we go. Come on. I tried to get the extra large one. They have two sizes. I know I said I was going to explain after, but I didn't. I don't know. I got the email. I went there, and as soon as I went there, it said that they were out of stock. So here is what it looks like. Okay. It has this little tag here. It says Lucky Bag 2020. Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The crane on this year's Lucky Bag symbolizes longevity and good luck. We hope the surprises inside make your 2020 a little more lucky. Sorry, I'm struggling to read that. Okay. I'm so excited. I think I'm nervous. Okay, let's... okay. Pull that tissue back in. Okay. Here it is. This is what's in my box. Okay, let's see what I got. Oh, everything is wrapped up in here. Okay, move that back. Move. Okay, it's gonna be a little noisy. Okay, I'm going to reach in here and pull out an item. This is from, what's this from? It says DM. I think this is DANESSA MYRICKS. I think that's how you say her name. Okay, and that's what that looks like. It's a 24-hour matte color. Ooh, that's a pretty color. So I think these are eyeshadows. It just tells you the ingredients on the back. It doesn't say anything. It says 24-hour matte color. So maybe you can use it for your eyes, for your lips. I don't know, but that's the first thing I got. Okay. Second thing. Good molecules. Oh, cool. Instant cleansing balm. Yes. All right. I'm happy to have that. Very happy to have that. Let's see if I can get this open. I can't find my tweezers. Okay, maybe, because I can't do it with my nails. Okay, there. Okay, and this is what that looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it. It might be washed out. But I love the pink Instant Cleansing Balm. So that's great. Using the enclosed spatula, scoop out a generous amount and apply to dry skin. Massage into skin and gently, with gentle circular motions, rinse with water or wipe away with a damp cloth. Suitable for daily use. Discontinue if irritations occur. So this is a makeup cleansing balm. It says that it has a little scoop in there, has a little spatula. Very nice. Glad they included that. Heard good stuff about good molecules. So I'm happy to have that. Okay, next. I see some lashes. ARDELL Mega Volume lashes. These are in the style 250. They look kind of dramatic. Very pretty lashes. Okay, next. SUGARPILL. Liquid lip color. Oh, I love the packaging. It's so cute. I have been wanting to get some SUGARPILL and I just haven't done it. And I said, oh, I'm going to get some. And I'm so glad that I got one in my box. Strange Love is the name of this, and that's the color. So, get that open. They do have gorgeous packaging. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's so cute. Look at that color. Let's swatch it for you real quick. Oh, pretty. Very pretty. It's a metallic lipstick, which I don't mind. I don't mind metallic lipstick. Okay. One more thing here. No. No. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Is this? This is a Sonia G brush. Stop it. Oh, the worker. Oh, the Sonia G. Yes, this right here. Which one? Oh my goodness. The Worker 3. Oh my goodness. Yes. Ooh, I've been wanting to get some of these brushes, but honey, they are pretty penny. And I got one in my box, and I get to try it, and I'm so glad. I'm so glad. Oh, it's so soft. Oh my, I'm so glad. Oh look, it matches. I must have known I was gonna get this, huh? No, I'm just kidding. Oh wow. No, I really didn't know. I can't believe it. I didn't think they would be putting any of the Sonia G or Wayne Goss in the lucky bag. So yes. Okay. One more thing. No, I got two more things. An eyeshadow palette from VISART. I heard that's the way you're supposed to pronounce it, not VISART or VISIART. It's VISART. And this is the Warm Edit. You know I say this all the time, y'all, but I'll be having all kinds of stuff on my list. And I think I had this on my Sephora wish list for the holidays, and I didn't get it, or I had one of them. I don't know if it was this one. I don't think it was this one. But yes, this is the Warm Edit palette, and that's what it looks like. Pretty red packaging. And I wasn't quite sure how to open it. Oh, there's the mirror. And that's what the colors are. And like there's a protective cover over that, so you might get some glare. That's pretty. Nice warm colors. So I'm excited to try this palette. Okay, there's one more thing, guys. I think, yep, that's it. One more thing. And this is from ORIBE. I don't know how you say it. I don't know how you say it. ORIBE. But anyway, it's a nourishing hand cream. Very nice packaging. Nice gold box. It doesn't feel like velvet or suede, but it looks like it. When you look at it, it looks like it could be velvet or something. So we will see what this is like. This looks like. Okay, and that's what it looks like. I'm going to read what it says. Okay. Our fantastically rich cream revitalizes hands and lightly scents with our signature, okay, Cote fragrance. I think that's how you say that. Cote, I don't know. A luxurious blend of oils and shea butter hydrates and repairs, making it perfect for everyday use or as an overnight treatment. Massage into hands and to deeply moisturize, soften, and protect. Use the winding key as you work your way down the tube to dispense all of the cream. Is there a little key in here? Oh, it has a little key in there. Oh, come on, don't make me fight about it. Okay. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. So you just put this in here and you wind it so you can get every bit out. Thank you for that. That's very nice. Very nice. Okay, guys. I know I'm probably seemed a little off and scattered and not quite sure what I was doing. I'm a little rusty. I've been gone for a minute. But anyway, I want to tell you about the Beautylish Lucky Bag. Every year, Beautylish curates boxes, and there's two different sizes. There's a $75 box, and it's supposed to have $150 worth of products in them. And then there's a $150 box, which is supposed to have at least $300 worth of products in that box. I tried to get the XL. It's called the Lucky Bag XL. They do this box once a year. Usually, I think I got the email, I think it was on December the 26th. So I'm pretty happy with my box. I'm really happy about the Sonia G brush. That I'm really happy about. And I don't know the prices of these products, but I will go to the website and check it out, and I will put that somewhere on the screen for the products, probably as we go along when I edit, to see what the value of my box was. I know I might be seeming like I'm a little disappointed, and I'm really not disappointed. I'm not disappointed. I think my problem is that I wanted the extra large box and I wasn't able to get it. But I am appreciative of what they sent, and this is really nice. You get let me see, how many products did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products in the box. Well, okay, guys. That's it. That was my lucky bag. Will I get it again? I don't know. I'm not sure. I might, because it is a nice amount of products, and I think it was. I'm sure that it is, you know, worth at least $150. I know the VISEART little palettes here. I think they're somewhere between $30 and $40. I think so, possibly even more. I'm not sure. I know Good Molecules is very affordable. So I'm not sure about what the price is on that. And I know she costs a lot for one brush. I think her full set is, I think it's like $150 or something like that. For just the eye set. I think it's quite a bit more if you want her complexion brushes and stuff too. So I might get it again. I'm not sure. If you got a lucky bag, let me know in the comments. Let me know if we got, you know, similar stuff. If you would, you know, get it again. Did you get the, you know, the extra large box? And let me know what you think about the stuff that you got. So that's it. I don't really have too much more to say about it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. I hope you all are doing very, very well, and I hope to see you in my next video. Forever be your pretty. Bye.